Noma sebe ha moholo hakalo. Jo, ke mosadi fela. Eno soft o. Eno nghamanati.
Yazi mawuqhubeka na story sakho. Umenze namajita azokuhleka.
Like whoever was slicing him was making a point. You have no idea how that happened.
He ran away when he realized that I was bleeding. Probably panicked.
And he wasn't wounded at that stage.
Well, he must have been bleeding where I bit him.
Ukhuma umroko zavele ngkweleta impilo yakhe. Manje sengimkhombe ngezulu lezandla.
Kodwa manya wethu angithi sibahlengile nje abantwana kahle kwakuhle vele uyasikwaleti kuphi osengale kwalo
hayi kulesithunzi samandungu
umuntu bekade ibambekile ngale kusebenzeka sithunzi nekwabela imnyama limatasatasa
Tasho Sumuthi unukumuthi wena
Iqiniso brought to you by Maponya Mabaso Media.
Uweka ingijwali
Hayi ngiyacabanga nje
wena uyenzenjani
Lady, ke batla shape entle.
hayibo shape yawe right ke shape enye we hloka ntando man o tla bo itimatse tlwela nonsense ntse e etsa yena mona
Lady, tlogela o ba dramatic, ke sharp.
ngwana ka ha o hloke go ba le shape e nngwe o hantle o le tjena jalo ka mme wa hao wa bo
Mara old lady, ke batla di muscles, ke batla six-pack as solid.
bantu ba lukhozi ha o nana le six pack
Mara, ke mabaso nna.
50% fela le bona ba ha ya nang le six pack bona ntata o na le one pack
Yeah, that's why ke exercise, ha ke batle one pack.
Ntando o tlo tshwana le sticker scorer kapo scorer sticker yena o dula le gyming a mathantsage o sa tsebe gona o lelekisa o tsamaya lelekisana le moya fela
How wrong, old lady. Di muscles di tlotse hore ke bonale ke le monna wa nnete. How? Ho makatse hore macheri a rata sticker so. Nna ke tshwantse o zama.
ha o ntse o zama o hlokomele mmele o nngwe ka ngwa monwang nna ke tlo patala di-doctor ke patalana le ha o robeile mo
Yeah, bacon, sausage, the works. Thanks, Sophia.
Mom, you're being extra, and it's cringy, seriously.
Hey, good morning. Bathong, ke re ke batla ho le shapa ka surprise ke le re breakfast in bed.
I tried to tell her it was inappropriate, but hey, what do I know?
Hey, bathong, am I not allowed to spoil bana ba me? Ho, le robetse yang? Le robetse sentle? Yeah. How did you guys sleep?
Fine, thanks.
Good. Ngos. Good. Ngendihamba. No. After breakfast. Dulang fatshe.
So, big bro, what would you think about spending the day together?
Oh, bathong, Kat, ha so folele go fola.
I know. I'll go easy on him. You can come too. I don't think my brother can survive a day without you.
Yeah. That would be nice for it to go fella as a family.
Mhlambe ngendichecka ini emsebenzini.
No. I'm sure Tao utla ho 5 day off. Here you go.
Kodwa mandingamceli. Rain check.
Sure. Okay. Well, as long as we tshepisa hore o tla kgutla later, it would be so nice to have you for dinner.
Mhlawumbe.
Okay.
Enkosi.
Hayi Chibikonya. Imese ngaka lapha etafuleni lami.
Hawu mama umuntu omhle inhliziyo yami. Nqanda mathe sami yini kodwa bakithi ulale kahle. Yini ngathi ulambile baba kwenza into yangasethunjini.
Hayi. Ufuna ukungenzela igawulo ngani ngesana zakho sinte lento lezi. Nakhona anganasendi ukuthi why uziletha la kwami.
Hawu mama kahle ma ungathathi ngesinxele. Umuthi nje uthi ngizogeza ngawe inswane ezintathu uyavikelana.
Geza? Hayi bathroom yami. Abogeza empompini oruyeleka bhuti wakho.
Awubodwa umuntu wenhliziyo yami. My queen, ngosuyithatha ngesinxele nje lento. Umuthi nje mhlawumbe singageza sobabili laphana na ube mhle nje ngamsivikeleke.
Please, ngicela ungangiqali.
Kodwa sithandwa sikababazi. Uyazi lo muntu uyasiza ukuthi uvuselele laphana emasosheni omzimba. Ube namahla mhlawumbe kwazi ba nawe ungasezakala lento yakho ecancer.
Hayi man, nje wena kanti wena awuzo emadlebeni kahle kahle. Beka lento phakathi.
Oh, excuse, ke interrupt.
Maki ufunani?
Nix ne ke tlise disconso noma sebe umphile tšhelete hore ke lo reka di-ingredients. Mara ha ke dule ke a bona hore le busy. O busy. O busy.
Hayi man. Uyabona ukuthi uqalani manje? Uyabona? Jiwe khona man. Ayi.
Nkosi, sisikelele. Molo mama, unjani? Bezibuya kwezintsukwana kodwa right ngoku. Idrama nje yaseJoburg, uyazi mos le ndawo ayifani nasekhaya. Abantu abadlali mama xa befuna uthatha into bayayithatha, bayacaphukisa, ngibonda ngawe. Kuba kuphi nyani mama. Kodwa abantu bavele baqhubeke ngathi akwenzeka nganto. No, akho nto wrong mama. Right nto nje. Ndiyakhumbula. Mama awukho strong enough uba ungeza apha ekhaya. Wena nje hlala apho de ube right. Right mnanyana. Manisebenze. Sabuye sithethe. Nami ndiyakuthanda mama.
Hayi man muthi. Awulela teng. Ufema kwenya mo. Ke a o bolella ausi. Ho na le buthi hohle mona. Tafoleng countereng o mong le ka hara bao. Antsa o ka ya o. Yo. Ai wena. Nana ke maka ke yo.
Inzala bantu nisi hamba kanjani?
Sam. Boloyi. No kasi ya rona mo. boloi daylight ke a o bolelle
Ini?
ntlong ya Lucy go lona le ditlhare
bathong
ke nagana gore o sebedisitse ditlhare tseo go tshwara jiwe kono wa ka aye ke a o bolelela that's why ke mo lositse ne ke sena chance
Unesure ukuthi lento oyibone lapha already umuthi.
Sam ke a tseba ntho e ke e boneng
ya
wena ha o batla o dumela go nna go bala le Lucy ke mohlomong o sebedisitse motho go o tshwara
Hayibo ini?
Sam a komplele wena le Lucy metsi le oli ha le kopane ho ha ichabe moshanyana wa dinama-nama a mo tletse le nkgono Lucy yo o nana di a tsamaisana ntho tseo e naganisise Sam
It's open.
Ke reketse
Hayi mantando.
favorite girl snack.
Wena angekho lokhu uphoseka ngapha ekamereni lami.
Didi uspanning. Akasibo gore ke mo.
Tando uzokwazi. Uzokwazi nakabona profile picture yakho.
Ah, uyibona? Nice, ne?
Tando nginawe kiso. Susundole. For abantu bacabanga ukuthi babe nomzindlo mumbi ngaso.
Hayi, machiri ba makatsa man.
What?
Baphila ba complain ba re he rona as machita re batle commitment. Mara ke nna enwa. Wa tlo bontsha gore ke khethile wena gore o motho wa ka.
Wow, Tando. Wow. Mina? Unakho? No.
Ya, mora se re sentseng. O tshwere yaka no. Re aha something fresh. Jwalo ka girlfriend and boyfriend vibes. Onthola?
Tando, bekukomseme kuphela. Nothing more. And angeke isaphinda kayilenzeni into leyo. Jeez, Ntando. It's crazy ukuthi wena uthatha i-one night stand uyindlale kuma profile picture yakho. Uzoyisusa into leyo nje.
You've got this.
Oh, this shit is our award-winning Jennifer.
yes Lulu siyakubukela man ish
Lulu, yes, ukuthi bekumele ukuthi unyamalale nje kanjalo eDrakensberg, but you could have given your boss a heads up, girl.
Drakensberg.
ya asikho isidingo sokuthi ufihle sisi phela ukhuma usukatshena wonke umuntu ukuthi wena ubuhambi lobhukha nogama yabo ngisho no Mr Mohale ke naye hey kodwa yena ngathi akajabulile ke bandla hey
Well, a girl's got to do what a girl's got to do, right?
That attitude will get you into fun and trouble, girl.
Well, I better go face the music then.
yeah good luck
Is ukuba uyena.
mfowethu kodwa phela ngithiwa kumuntu ucela ukuthi ucela permission
Mara uhamba kanjani emsebenzini ungashongo?
eish
Mr. Malloy signed an official statement confessing to the kidnapping of the kids. He insists he did it alone, something I find hard to believe, no matter what he, Kamo, or Lulu say.
You can get a lot done with a gun, Commander.
I've been doing this job a long time, Mr. Moroka. Victims and culprits never give the same version of what happened, unless someone's lying.
I'm not sure what you're getting at.
Mr. Malloy's confession matches what Kamokhelo and Lulama told me, word for word, like someone told them what to say.
Maybe that's actually what happened.
Mhlawumbe. One thing no one can answer is how, why, and when Molloy was knifed. He was cut pretty badly, not enough to kill, only to hurt him, as if he had been tortured, not the kids. He's in hospital as we speak.
Look, we don't know anything about that. Sorry, Commander. Gamu did say that he attacked Didiro after Lulu bit him.
Yes, that's when the gun went off.
If you say so. I'll see myself out. You know, life is funny. The guilty always end up paying the price eventually. Like karma. Never forgets an address.
Ayi Mogeli. Angazi ngempela ukuthi utheni ngintando. Ngoba phela yabo lesithombe lesi siveza kahle kamhlophe ukuthi umjida wabantu ukhethile.
Hayi singasam. Hawu.
Yima uyishintshile ihandle yakho kuma socials akho?
Yeah, ngishintshile. Ngibona ngathi i-unknown seyinokudlayela nyana since abantu bangazi. And ngifuna nokuthatha i-ownership of my work.
Yeah, Mhlasimbe kodwa ibrand yohlezi ibrand phela.
Ah, nakanjani ndoda?
Yeah. Ngithi into yakho asithathe izombe manje.
Yeah, mina ngithatha izombe mina.
Yini uyakoloza?
Yazi ngiyaziqhenya ngawe. Ngiyangijabulisa ngempela mfethu ukuthi ngibone indlela bese impilo yakhe eqhubeka ngakhona. Njengoba lesilwane somzinje esingasekho empilweni yakho.
Ayish. Mina ngithokoza wena cabanga. Yazi thana bongekho ngabe angikho la ngikhona namhlanje.
Hayi kanti phela vele ngiyohleza ngikweseka.
Maqa.
Njalo nje futhi.
Pizza, ubabhili.
Ah, sure. Let me think about it.
So, some stuff. So, skip on now and Mama say.
Sure, boys. In the crowd. Mama, mana yazi awusemningi ngala njengoba unoma sebese manager. Assistant manager mfana. Hey.
Mangisi. Ama-customer athi acela ukuthi amabhiya wabo siwa-deliver asavaliwe.
Avaliwe? For ini?
Hayi, baphatha indaba yomuthi something angazi wena uphatha umuthi.
Yeah. Hey. Yazi unokwazi uhamba ufofozela abantu indaba la ukuthi ukubona ubhizi uxuba umuthi ekitchen lakho. Onokwazi. Wena sana. Yabona mamakho. Awungijwayela kabi ngifuna uqambela manga.
Yazi bengicabanga ukuthi mhlambe simema bakwaMroka bezokudla isidlo sakusihlwa nathi.
Ke dumeletse ho botsisa hore o ikemiseditse.
Yeah. Yini manje?
Jack. Wena awukeke wetsa dintho ntle le lebaka.
Hayi. Kulokhu ke hayi ngiyenza enhlenhle le lebaka. Ukuma umngane wakho wangicela ukuthi ngimsize kwakunenkathazo emndenini wakubo. Futhi nje ngibona sekufanele sazane kangcono nokhuma. Njengoba mina nawe sizoshada nje bazobe besempilweni yethu ngithi.
So ke aritsbaneng fe.
Nokuthi nje sibungaza ukuthi siphumelelo ukuhlenga izingane.
You always amaze me. Nkarata wena lukhuma leka utlwana. I'll get right to it.
Yazi bengase ngene udlusi la manje. Hey singabona ifilimu ngathi ngizange ngikutshela.
Yewena.
Hey siyakhala.
La.
Oh.
Hey wena, ulimi la kaSathane.
Hayi man wena o tla nqhadisa beer ya kana o tla patala.
Ngifuthe kwena. Yazi wena nokwazi uzenza consent, ungcwele okherayo kanti mina obhekete ranch ungenza kanje imqolo.
Ubua ka yini?
Ungazozenza dom wena yezwa. Ngoba wena wazi kathi uthi ufafatha amanga lapha ngaphandle etradini ngami. Uthi mina lo ngitheshisa ikhemi mina lo. Hayi. Today uzotshela kahle ukuthi yini oyifuna kimi nokwazi.
Ke bua nnete mos. Ke ntho ke ibone ngo senga tsatsi le.
Yabona la. Qoba uphele lana wena yezwa ngoba uzoza something uzoyisola ngayo nokwazi.
Oh, Alusi, untibetela ukuthi bua nnete. Sa ke se bone mos dan.
Angizosiphinda futhi.
Akuthabi. Just because ke spaghetti sa jiwe kono. Sa difika, unana ukuthi awuthaba ke tla uthotha.
Ye wena, ngizokubhela lapha yifaka ebhodweni spaghetti ndini.
Never. This is a free country.
You should bring yam lena wena.
Ke bia ya kae, Ene ke tlo enwa ke dule mona, ho fitlela ke iqeta.
Cheers. Damn it. Ngikutshela kokugcina nokwazi. Hamba mantu.
Wabona uyatsa, wayibona ukuqhathile biri ya ka wena Lusi man.
Wena, kahle ungazi ukuthi ngubani wena zama la show you namhlanje.
Manje awutsiba wena uLusi Dialo oyenze ngori ke abane le Cosmo ka baka la Khemi ne. And ha o qeta wa nka ntate wa ngwanaka ke Khemi hape. Le shebini ya ho idula e tletse. Ntse le Khemi waza yeah.
Mama today uzofunda isifundo yezwa. Hey. Hey. Sengidusela. Hey, wena ngikhathele usibona manga ngalo phangaphandle wena. Today uyaqonda sisi. Hayi nika. Dana. Mama. Aphi amanda akho.
Uya maniki sitshela zombili.
Ayikho. No. Alice. Yo, yazini. Angidingi wa bloody sharp ukuthi nginise kuwe. Waqala sibona thi. Thena wena. Hey. Ngicela ungiyeke tu. Lokho kufundo lo. Wena. Uthi ngiyathamatha.
Hey, babes, you bring an overnight bag.
I've decided to go home, dear Matatiele.
Are you leaving me?
What? No, Momo. DNJ weekend qha. Ndifuna ubona mama. And take a break from all this craziness.
No, you scared me there.
You stuck with me. Sakubona ngiqhaweke ne.
I'll miss you.
Nam. Oh, and if family yakho ixalele wonke umuntu ba besise Drakensberg for a romantic getaway. So no one knows the truth.
That's good. But we don't want people asking questions, babes. You don't look happy.
Every time something bad happens, your family lies about it.
Well, they have to. Or else it'll be all over the news.
If our faces were out there, bebenokuzifumana msinya. And mhlambe you wouldn't have confessed or gotten shot. Anyway, sakubona ngicawe. Love you.
Love you too.
Man, call you one.
Okay.
Give up our phone now.
Yeah, klar.
Ke phoso ya gago wena.
for sure.